Hey there, this is Rob, and I'm going to take you through Glyph's brand new browser plugins. We're going to start with the Gliph Chrome extension today, and we're going to check out how you can use the extension to send a new cloaked email. The first thing that you need to do is sign in to the Gliph website. So if you have not signed in yet, you need to do that. And I'm going to quickly log in with our test account. And once you sign in, you can close that tab. Click on the extension button again, and you can see we've got a couple of different options. We're going to show off the top option today, and we're going to send a cloaked email. So the first thing that you notice from this little compose window is that you can choose among the email addresses that you want to have the email come from. So on this account, we've created cloaks for Craigslist, for a dating website, and for general private email. For this case, since we're just sending to somebody to let them know about something, we're going to choose general private email. So we'll let them know. And we're going to let Milton know that Bill took his red stapler. We'll send that off to him. So we've gotten to see how to send a fresh cloaked email from the desktop using the Chrome extension. Let's have a look at how we can use it with Craigslist. So imagine for a moment we're going to go to Craigslist. We're going to surf there and we're going to search for a Winnebago. And we find one that we like here from 1990. This one looks pretty sweet. And in order to reply to this person without revealing our address, we want to use our cloak. So thanks to the extension, you can now right-click the reply to email, choose send to this address using cloaked email, and then pick one of your cloaks to reply from. In this case, since it's Craigslist, we're going to choose our Craigslist cloak. And you notice that the subject line and the body have information from the ad automatically added to it. So it makes it really easy for you to ask a quick question and get a conversation going with the seller. How old are the tires? Send. And what we get is then an instant cloaked email sent to the seller. If they reply, of course, it's going to show up in our real inbox, which makes it really easy for you to continue conversations without having to reveal your address. I've got one more thing I want to show you, which is how to use the cloaked email extension, the Gliph Chrome extension, to fill a form with one of your cloaked emails. So for example, let's pretend that we visited the Eventbrite website and we've got a particular concert that we want to get tickets for. So we go ahead and visit this page and we can see that we want to get, say we want to pick up a couple of them. We choose to order it. And we scroll down to begin entering our information. And at this point, usually they want your email address. Now, as anyone who's ever registered for an event on Eventbrite knows, the organizer usually takes your email address after the event and adds you to their marketing list, whether you asked for it or not. So this is a great opportunity to use a cloaked email because you can be assured that if they abuse the email address, such as by handing it off to yet another party, you can always discard it. So you might have to sometimes remember your cloaked email. Now, you don't have to remember your cloaked email address with the browser extension because you can right-click in the form field, choose Insert Cloaked Email, and then choose one of your cloaks that you're using. So in this case, we choose our general private communications. Hopefully they don't ruin it so we don't have to discard it. And then we can continue to fill out the rest of our event registration. So it can be really helpful. You can fill just about any form field with this on a normal web page. It's a great way to quickly add your cloaked email address during registration. So that's it. Those are the use cases we wanted to show for the Chrome extension. There's a few other things you can explore right here on the extension. We do expect to add more stuff in the future, and we'd love to get your feedback. Again, you can reach us at support@gli.ph. Thanks a lot.